And now, your Valley Storm Team forecast.
Well, 11:23 is the time here on your midday, and we're going to be in for some hot and dry days over the next few days. Temperatures right now are in the upper 80s, 88 for Brownsville right now, 86 for Harlingen, 85 for Wesco, and then we have 86 for Rio Grande City. So it's already starting to feel just a little warm out, but there's a nice breeze out as well. So it's feeling a little fresh with those hot temperatures. Now, forecast highs today are going to reach up to 99 degrees with the highest for Rio Grande City. Right over here, we're going to see 95 for Edinburgh as well as McAllen, 93 for Harlingen, and 91 for Brownsville. Now those heat index values are most likely going to make it feel like the mid to upper 90s in some areas, but we see Rio Grande City. Now remember, 99 degrees for that high in Rio Grande City. We're seeing a moderate heat risk around that area. We're also seeing a minor heat risk for pretty much everyone else across the valley, but moderate heat risk also up along the coast for South Padre Island as well as Port Mansfield. So speaking of South Padre Island, that high out there is going to be 85 degrees, surf temp 87, and the UV index is going to be extreme per usual. So make sure you are, if you're heading out to the beach, make sure you are staying cool, staying hydrated, and protecting yourself from those UV rays. Now, bringing it back inland, those evening temperatures are looking to be in the upper 80s by 6 p.m., and it's going to remain that way for the next couple of hours after that until we hit 10 p.m. Then we'll be in the upper 70s, and it is going to be mostly clear for our Wednesday evening. Now, a quick look at your Thursday. Now, it's looking like a copy and paste forecast. We're going to see that same high of about 93 degrees for that valley average, winds up to 15 miles per hour, and then we're going to see that peak temperature between 2 and 4 p.m. tomorrow, and then again those feel like temperatures reaching up to the upper 90s peak. It's going to be about 2 p.m. and it's going to feel like the upper 90s, 96 degrees to be exact. So again, copy and paste forecast that won't last for long though. Once we hit Friday, we're going to encounter some rain chances. So let's go ahead and take a look at the past 30 days of the percent of normal rain. We're already starting to see some darker yellow, orange, if you will, patches pop up across the map, which means we are looking below normal in some areas. But we have the end of this week for some chances for rain, as well as heading into the weekend. So Friday, we're going to kick off that day with a 40% chance of rain. Saturday, 50%, and then Sunday, that's going to decrease to 30%, but then it'll increase right back up on our Monday, and then we're probably most likely going to get the bulk of that rain in the middle of next week. As for right now, satellite and radar shows that it is mostly dry, mostly clear. It's going to remain that way for the rest of the day as well as heading into tomorrow. But again, that 7-day forecast shows those rain chances popping right back up for Friday.